How to ignore deprecation warnings in Python. I keep getting this. How do I make this message go away? Is there a way to avoid warnings in Python?
From documentation of the warnings module. If you're on Windows, pass W ignore column deprecation warning as an argument to Python. Better though to resolve the issue by casting to int. Note that in Python 3.2, deprecation warnings are ignored by default.
You should just fix your code, but just in case.
I have these. Fixed it with. Now you still get all the other deprecation warnings, but not the ones caused by. None of these answers work for me, so I will post my way to solve this. I use the following at the beginning of my main.py script and it works fine. Use the following as it is, copy-paste it. Example.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.